Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
So, how can I assist you today?
Okay, all of my friends was talking about Singapore, and I want to know something about it before I go. So can you assist me?
Oh, sure. But instead of words, maybe I'm just going to show you this video.
I'm excited about it. It's true that beauty is everywhere. Can you book all the Gaiklan tickets for me?
Oh, sure, we can do it for you, but I'm afraid it might take a couple of
Okay,
weeks.
sure, that's fine.
Okay then, thank you.
Thank you.